Stop. Before you even think about letting a needle near your face, you need to see this. What if I told you that a tiny golden flower growing in nature has been proven to relax facial muscles exactly like Botox, but without the freeze, without the cost, and without the toxins? They call it nature's Botox, and for centuries it was a hidden secret. But today, science is finally catching up. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use this powerful plant to erase fine lines, smooth out crow's feet, and get that youthful glow back naturally. Welcome back to Healthy Habits Haven, where we believe nature has the best pharmacy. If you're new here, we share simple science-backed tips for glowing skin and Ayurvedic wellness. So what is this miracle plant? It's not ginger and it's not turmeric. It's called Acmella Oleracea, also known as the electric daisy or paracress. Now, why is the beauty industry going crazy over this? Because unlike other oils that just hydrate the skin, this flower actually changes how your skin behaves. Let's get a little sciencey for a second, but I promise to keep it simple. The secret lies in a compound called spilanthol. When you get Botox, it paralyzes the muscle so it can't move. Spilanthol does something similar but much gentler. It acts as a natural myorelaxant. That means it reduces the muscle contractions that cause wrinkles in the first place. Think about it, every time you squint or frown, you're etching lines into your skin. This plant extract helps those micromuscles relax. When the muscle relaxes, the skin above it smooths out. It's not magic, it's biology. So how do you use it? You don't need to fly to the Amazon to get it. You can find paracress oil or spilanthol extract online. But here is my favorite DIY youth serum blend. Step 1. Start with a carrier oil. I love jojoba oil because it mimics our skin's natural sebum. Pour about 30 milliliters into a glass bottle. Step 2. If you have the extract spilanthol, add 5 to 10 drops. If you have the dried flowers, infuse them in the oil for 4 weeks in a sunny spot first. Step 3. Optional, add 2 drops of frankincense. Oil, another anti-aging powerhouse we love here at the Haven. Now apply this every night. Focus on the 11 lines between your brows, the forehead, and the smile lines. Don't just rub it in, massage it upwards. This boosts blood circulation and helps the spilanthol penetrate deeper. Now, let's be real. Will this work overnight like a needle? Most people report seeing a visible tightening effect within the first hour of application, but for deep wrinkles, give it 4 to 6 weeks of consistent use. Have you ever heard of the electric daisy before? Or do you have another natural secret for wrinkles? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. If you found this tip helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Healthy Habits Haven for more natural remedies that actually work. Stay healthy and keep glowing. Consult with a dermatologist before trying new skincare ingredients.